How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail, we're going to basically be going over how to update your 2025 GMC Sierra and or Silverado, because this update has become available for both the GMC and Chevy trucks. So first of all, as you guys can see, this update number is GM N25 250 380. And I'm going to first show you guys how to get this update if it doesn't pop up for you. It did pop up for me, but I will show you guys how to get there. So first of all, we are going to go to the home page, and as you guys can see here on your home screen, might look like that, but swipe over, you'll see settings, and you're pretty much just want to scroll all the way down to updates, click updates, and then check for updates. So as you guys can see there, we're on the update page. And there's a lot of glitches, as you guys probably know, if you have a Sierra or Silverado. So these are some of the things it fixes. It's going to be pretty much improvements to software performance, fixes for audio system, and also some of the connectivity for Bluetooth, and help ensure successful software updates. So you guys will see there will be some improvements and glitchiness that you have been noticing probably in the screen. So hopefully this update fixes that. And then as you guys can see at the bottom, it says your radio may stay on up to 5 minutes after you exit the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and hit install now. And as you guys can see there, turn vehicle off. Vehicle's off. Be sure you're ready to update. May take up to 15 minutes. So the vehicle cannot be driven or turned on. Doors, locks, windows may not work. Also, locked doors may not unlock. So do not lock if you're inside the vehicle. So let's go ahead and hit install now. And there you guys can see, vehicle update will begin in 50 seconds. So during this time, you basically can't do any of what's on the screen there by windows, door locks. So if you are looking to do something, do it beforehand, like drop your windows if needed. But let's see what it looks like in 30 seconds when the update starts. So as you guys can see here, we're basically just verifying update after those 50 seconds have elapsed. And the update should begin pretty shortly, but this is pretty much the tutorial on, how to find the update, and it shows you the reasons you should do it. And I highly recommend you guys do proceed with the update, because, I know if you take it to the dealer, obviously they'll do the updates for you, but you can also do them on your own. And I also want to hear what type of stories some of you guys have after updating your truck, because a lot of people honestly have had some issues after updating their trucks. So I'd love to hear your stories, or if everything went well, what it improved. So please let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like, and we will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.